Okay, it's the middle of July and I want to show you guys this. I'm working on a septic design and I want to show you how this looks. Okay, so what I'm looking at is I'm looking at all this soil. This is great soil, great soil. But if you see right here, you can see there's literally running water. It is actually oozing out of the ground. When we design a septic system, what we're doing is we're looking at the depth of the soil we have before we get to the water table or we get to a compaction layer where water runs. Because all of our sewage has to be treated completely before we get to that water. Once it gets to that water, it's going to flow horizontally, find its way into the fissures and down into our aquifers. So if the sewage isn't treated, it poses a huge potential health risk. So that's why it's so important to do quality septic designs. It's also why the state of Washington, I believe, is on the cutting edge of septic technology. Right now on this lot where I'm at, I'm probably less than a quarter mile from the ocean. I've got a stream within 100 feet. Very suspect if I can even do anything on this lot, but this... The reason why, just in the time I've been standing here, you can see how much water has come in, and I mean it is literally just flowing in through the sides. You can see a stream forming right there. So that's called saturated flow, and it's our groundwater level. All of my perc holes on this particular job site have the same thing going on. Immediately, as soon as I dig into them, the water releases. Again, great soil all the way down to that water level, but I have to design my system to make sure all the sewage is treated before it hits that water because it poses a potential health risk.